Hello, I'm the Openview system using automation.
Hello, I'm a patchwork of agency systems.
Oh, what have you got planned for today?
I'm getting ready for when everyone gets in the office, to give them their jobs to do when they open me up. What about you?
Oh, well, I've already done a lot of their prep work for them automatically, so I'm just waiting for them to come in so we can get on with some really cool stuff. I've emailed the negotiators their appointments with their route plans, and I've confirmed the viewings via text message with both the applicants and the negotiators. I might even head out on a mobile device and get some instructions with a negotiator. Sounds like you've still got a lot of stuff to do before you can actually get on with any stuff, so I'm going to leave you to it, and I'm going to head out and get some new business.
Right, I'll catch up with you later. Maybe.